Students, in part 1 we have read about the classification of matter. Classification of matter on the basis of natural material and man-made material. But and what is matter? So can you answer my question? What is matter? We can also give this question as define the term matter. So we can easily now you can easily define the term matter. All matter is made up of small particles, so we can we all know that we can easily define this term. Matter is anything which has mass and occupies space. We classified the matter into 3 main groups, that is solid, liquid and gases. We read about the properties of solid, characteristics of solid, liquid and gases, and their structure also we studied, the arrangement of particles in these 3 states of matter. Now we are going to study about properties of matter. We can classify these properties into 2 main groups, that is physical properties and chemical properties. In this chapter we are going to study about the physical properties of the matter, that is their according to their appearance. The first property which we are going to study about matter is appearance and feel. The first physical property which we are going to study is appearance and feel. The materials are known to differ from one another in the term of their appearance. हम ज़्यादातर materials को उनकी appearance देख के ही classify करते हैं, जैसे कि ये soft है, ये hard है, ये rough है, ये smooth है, ये तो shining है. तो these are the physical properties of the material. So the first physical property which we are going to study about the material is the luster या lustrous, एक ही बात है, और dull. हम जितने भी मटेरियल्स हमारे आसपास है हम उनको lustrous या dull दोनों में जो है क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं. लस्ट्रस वो मटेरियल है जिनका सरफेस जो है वो शाइनिंग है, और डल वो मटेरियल है जिनका सरफेस जो है वो शाइनिंग नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल, ये फॉइल पेपर है आपका, दिस इज शाइनिंग इन अपीयरेंस, इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टिंग द लाइट. सो सच मटेरियल्स are known as lustrous. Such materials are known as lustrous. Your polished marble is lustrous. Your we were saying we can see glass. Glass is lustrous. Gold is lustrous. Silver is lustrous. There are so many other examples. Mostly the metals they are lustrous in their appearance. Next is dull. If we see things around us, most of the things around us are dull in appearance. You can see this paper. Paper is dull in appearance. So we can classify the things into dull and lustrous. According to the appearance, we can also classify the things into smooth and rough. जिन चीज़ों का सरफेस जो है स्मूथ होता है, जैसे कि मेरे पास ये सिल्क बॉटल है जो कि सिल्क क्लॉथ से कवर्ड है. यू कैन सी दिस इज smooth in surface. This is smooth. And if I take this piece of towel, the surface of it is rough. You can compare both the surfaces. This is smooth, the silk cloth is smooth, the towel cloth is rough in appearance. So with the help of touch you can compare both the surfaces. Like sandpaper, it is smooth or rough? It is rough in appearance. We take polished marble. Marble is smooth or rough in appearance? It is smooth in appearance. Silk cloth, it is again smooth in appearance. So if you see this towel, I took the example, it is rough in appearance. So you can name any number of things around you and you can feel them and tell the whether they are smooth or rough. So we have classified the things according to their appearance. We have classified the things into two main groups, that is lustrous or dull, smooth or rough. Now the third classification which we are going to do about the things is according to the transparency. The third next classification we are going to do is according to the transparency. Transparency is the property of the material to allow the light to pass through it. The property of a material to allow light to pass through it is called transparency. On the basis of this transparency, we can classify the material into three main groups. We can classify the material into three main groups, that is transparent, translucent and opaque. There are several things which you can see around you which allow light to pass through them. As you can see, this water, glass and water, both are transparent material. So light can pass through them. You can see through this glass. I have other examples also of transparent and translucent. I have one plastic sheet with me. You can see this is transparent. You can see through this, you can read through it. Everything behind this sheet is clear. But instead of this, if I put this sheet, now the vision is not that clear as it was before. You can see the things behind it, but the clarity is not there, and such type of materials which do not allow or partially allow the light to pass through them, which do not allow the light to pass through them completely or partially allow the light to pass through them, are known as translucent material. The third is your opaque. Opaque are the substances. Are you able to see what I have written behind this cardboard? No. So, such materials which do not allow the light to pass through them at all, they are known as opaque material.